Okay guys, I welcome you all to this channel, Channel Gives Music. So for those of you that are not joining the channel, please make sure you subscribe and always like and comment. And for those of you that have been following me, please make sure you keep liking, watching, and commenting. God bless you. So today we'll be learning lead and bassline breakdown. I know I've been teaching lead and bassline breakdown for so long. Most of you join this channel because of that. So I'll be teaching you another way of playing lead and bassline in a very simple way, okay? So please make sure you stay tuned, watch, and learn. God bless you.
Okay guys, so this tutorial I'm going to be playing it on F sharp, and the key I'm on is on F sharp. Okay, so it's a lead and bass line breakdown on this Ariaria. Okay, so let's go. So let's use let me test it on 2 songs. I'm going to teach you on 2 songs, and I'm going to tell you how I play it. Okay, so let's go. There is nothing he cannot do. 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 There is nothing he cannot. Let's go. O me manare kele dima. O me manare kele. O me manare kele dima. O me mabiko nare kele. O me manare kele dima. O me manare kele. O me manare kele dima. O me mabiko nare kele. You are the Lord, that is your name. You will never share. You know, it's because I'm singing. That is why I'm not even doing some kind of skills I'm supposed to be doing, okay? So I'm going to show you all what you can be doing, like something like that. You are the Lord. So you can just be applying so many things on your left and your right, and you're nothing like you split your hand comfortably without making any mistake. You see, I'm just playing freely. I'm even singing while playing it, which is very difficult. Okay? So the first song I started with, oh me manare no there is nothing you cannot do. So it's the key, you have to know the progression of what you are playing first before you can get this particular breakdown, okay? So there is nothing he cannot do. So then fa, there is nothing so do. You understand? There is nothing he cannot do. 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 So it goes this way, like I was playing. You can just be doing something like this. Now that is your miss. Although if you know the that is what I said, you have to know your progression first. So if you know your progression starts with do now, there is nothing he cannot do. So if you are even doing something like this at first, as a beginner now, there is nothing he cannot do. Then you understand? There is nothing he cannot do. There is nothing he cannot do. There is something he cannot do. So if you know that this is your progression, anything you are playing here will be entering, see? There is nothing he cannot do. There is nothing he cannot do. So, do mi so, do mi so, do mi so, ti re so, ti re so, ti re so, ti re so, do fa la, ti re so, do mi so, do. Then you can just be doing so mi fa re mi do mi so, so mi fa re mi ti re so. That's all I mi so. la ta la mi so fa, la re la do si so fi fa mi so do. Okay? Do mi so do mi so do mi so do la do ti re so ti la ta la mi so fa. Understand? Let me take it gradually. There is nothing. Do mi so do mi so do mi so do la do ti re so ti la ta la mi so fa, la re la do la ti so fi fa. Fa la re la do la ti so fi fa mi so do. Okay? Do mi so do mi so do mi so do la do ti re so ti la ta la mi so fa, la re la do la ti so fi fa mi so do. There is nothing. Okay. Okay, hope you are getting what I'm playing there. So on my bass, I'm not playing do so do so do. Okay. Then do re so fa la fa re so do so do. You can just play something very simple like that, so you can be able to split your hand. Do so do la mi do so. Okay. There is something you cannot do. Do so do re mi fa so re so fa la fa re so do so do re mi fa so re so do fa la fa re so do. Okay. Do so la mi do. I'm just giving you so many ways you can just try. Do so la mi la so re so. Understand? Do so la mi la so re so re so. Do fa la fa re so. Do so do. Understand? Do so la mi la. Let's go. There is nothing he cannot do. There is nothing he cannot do. There is nothing he cannot do. Understand? Do so la mi la. This one now, if you play this thing like this, why they know that there's no basis? The thing will just touch the person that is singing. Understand? There's nothing they cannot do. Something. So, there is nothing. Son, there is nothing. There is nothing. Son, once they answer, there is nothing. So that second song now. O me mana rekele di ma. O me mana rekele so. O me mana rekele di ma. So again. O me ma biko na rekele. O me mana rekele di ma. O me mala na fiso. O me mana rekele so. O me ma biko na rekele. You understand? So you can play something like this also on that one. O me mana rekele di ma. O me mana rekele. O me mana rekele di ma. O me ma biko na rekele. O me mana rekele di ma. O me ma rekele. O me mana rekele di ma. O me ma biko na rekele. Listen. O me mana rekele. Do mi so, do fa la re la, do mi so. That's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to my fa and I'm going back to the do. do fa la re la, do fa la re la, ti fa la re la, ti. Understand? O me mana kele. Starts now. O me mana le. Then I go so now which is re so ti. Understand? O me mana kele di ma. O me mana kele. O me mana kele di ma. O me mana kele. Understand? Hope you are getting just what I'm doing. So it's just like as if you are playing do. O me mana kele di ma do. Pasama kele so. Understand? O me mana kele. You go now. Do fa la re la, do fa la re fa la, si, there you go, see. Ti, fa la re la, ti, fa la re fa la, ti. Then that's all I mi so fa re la, do, ti, so, fi, fa, mi so, do. On your bass, just, oh me, then, oh me, mana re kele di ma, oh me, mana re. So, ti, so, you go so, re, so, ti, so, re, so, ti, so, do, fa, la, fa, re, so, do, so, do, so, la, mi, la, so, yes, sir. Do, so, la, mi, la, so, re, so, re, do, fa, la, fa, re, so. So that is just what I'm playing there. So there are so many songs that you can use this method to play. So many. So I'm going to be teaching you most of other songs on my next video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share if you are following on YouTube. And if you are following on Facebook, please make sure you follow this page. God bless you. See you on my next video.